Crafting a strong tech resume.
A standout tech resume is essential in a competitive job market. Yet, many candidates unintentionally hurt their chances with common errors. Understanding these mistakes and how to fix them can make a big difference. Let's explore frequent pitfalls in software resumes and simple steps to help your application get noticed.
Mistake: listing only responsibilities.
Many tech professionals focus on job duties instead of achievements. Recruiters want to see your impact, not just your routine tasks. Instead of writing maintained database systems, try improved database performance by 30% through indexing and query optimization. Show measurable results to stand out and give employers a clear view of what you can accomplish.
Mistake: overloading on technical jargon.
While it's important to showcase your technical skills, too much jargon can make your resume confusing and hard to read. Prioritize clarity. Highlight the languages, frameworks, and tools you're strongest with, but focus on how you've used them to solve real problems. This balance helps both technical and non-technical reviewers understand your strengths.
Mistake: ignoring soft skills.
Tech roles require more than just coding skills. Communication, teamwork, and problem-solving are vital in software development. Don't neglect these on your resume. Share specific examples. Perhaps you led a project team, mentored others, or presented solutions to a client. Tech companies value well-rounded professionals who can collaborate effectively.
Mistake: submitting a generic resume.
Sending the same resume to every job is a common error. Tailor your resume for each application. Address the specific skills and experiences mentioned in the job description. Use keywords from the posting and highlight the most relevant projects. This shows attention to detail and increases your chances of passing automated screening systems.
Final tips for an impactful tech resume.
Proofread carefully to eliminate mistakes. Typos can cost opportunities. Keep your resume concise, readable, and focused on results. Include links to your GitHub, portfolio, or relevant side projects. Present yourself as a problem solver, ready to contribute. With these improvements, you'll be on your way to landing your next tech role.